Добре, като е толкова трудно човек да си намери работа тук, как преживяват всички тия хора?
Ей, това е. Ние трябва да ги плащаме заради тия хантурници. Цял ден лежат. Взимат си социалните помощи, пушат трева.
Racist! Go back to the country where you came from!
Не знаеш от кои черни ще излезе белята.
We've always been an international country. We remain an international country.
You soak up our benefit, and now you take our cat as well.
I feel like foreigner now.
Полякинята го взе това, разбираш ли?
It was a bunch of Albanians actually, and they were having open fires in there.
So what do you think about Eastern Europeans coming to live in your country now?
Hopefully they'll get rid of you soon and we can have some peace round here.
If you speak in a foreign language again, I'll arrest you for perverting the course of justice.
Boo, come out!
Айде, стига толкова.